You might wonder why this article, right? Why not a course format video? Well, there are thousands of videos online already. And the real challenge is not the lack of content, it's knowing where to start and what to learn first in a structured way, right? And that's what exactly I have done here, organized a clear roadmap so you can learn systematically. And this is the article, and it won't take you more than 15 days to complete, but if you want you can also complete that within 7 days. It's all up to you. And I splitted that in 3 phases. You'll find the first phase will be a basic front-end web development fundamentals using Figma, and the second phase will be practices, and the third phase will be a mastering the front end using Framer. You can use Wix or Webflow or any front-end no-code platform. It's all up to you. And here, so let's get back to our article. So you'll find this informations I wrote, and you have to read each of it before start. It won't take you more than 10 minutes to read, but it will be essential for you to understand everything. And here is the phase one. And phase one, you will find multiple like parts, and this basic design sense is everything. This part is really crucial, and I attached 8 YouTube video here, and you must check them all. The reason I am saying this you will understand later when you completed them all. I am highly recommend you to complete these 8 videos, and there you'll find product design, basic UI design principles, and also attached 2 videos there. Well, I am not promoting anything. This is not a sponsored related videos or nothing like that. I'm just using public resources and everything so that you can get a proper roadmap to complete each step one by one. That is essential for you. And here you'll find a basic anatomy of a website. There is an article I attached here. This is my article. It's not like I'm promoting my content, nothing else. This is really easy to read. You will complete that within 5 minutes, so I'm requesting you to read that so you'll get a proper understanding like what I am talking about. And this is the part, the main part will start from here. You will find fundamentals of web design and essential CSS properties here. You will find layout and structure, where you will find auto layout directions, layout grids with attached video. You must complete the video. And there is another spacing, positioning, and alignment part. You'll find absolute position or relative or fixed sticky positions here. And there is another part, sizing and scaling. Also I attached each topic with its specific related videos here. Also styling and visual elements and everything, style guide, typography, colors and shadows, borders or tags, whatever you name it. It's really crucial before start. And there is another part, input forms, event interactions. This is, and the breakpoints or responsiveness. And there you'll find components with attached video, variants as well, plugins and everything. After completing that, you will find a phase 2, and there is the main part will come up. This part gonna be interesting because you will have to develop 3 landing pages or 2 or 4, it's up to you, but I attached 3 links here. You just need to follow their instructions and you will create 3 landing pages from scratch using Framer by following the provided tutorial videos. There is no need to memorize or fully understand every details. Simply copy and follow along with the instructor. Trust me, you will be grateful for this approach. This is really important. So I'm highly recommend you to complete that part properly. And you have to ignore this part, like ready-made sections or templates. This part you should ignore for now. And you'll find Setup artboards for each screen, like the breakpoints or responsiveness related video you'll find here. The style guide and the guides, it's important. The layout, the positioning, everything I like organized in a way so that you can get a proper understanding after completing each part. And the last one will be a SEO part, and that's how you will be able to complete a guideline, and that will help you to excel your web development journey in no code platform, also in code based platform as well. So I am highly recommend you to follow this all. And at the end of the and at the end of this, obviously, if you complete them all, you can send me a thank you message in my Twitter DM. And if you want to reach me, you can also reach me here if you have any confusions. And that's it. I hope this is gonna be helpful, and have a good time. Bye.